Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Facebook app or visiting Facebook. Calm and signing in with your email, phone number, and password. Once signed in, make sure you're on the home feed. This places the main navigation elements where you expect them. If you're on a new device, complete any quick verification prompts so menus aren't hidden. Now that you're authenticated and on the home view, move to the next step to visually locate the top and bottom navigation bars. Next, visually scan for the top bar, which contains the search box, messenger icon, profile shortcut, and notifications. These sit at the screen's upper edge on both mobile and desktop. On mobile, look at the bottom bar for quick tabs, home, friends, marketplace, and the menu. Swipe up if hidden. On desktop, the top menu aligns under the browser Chrome, so move your eyes just below the address bar. Once located, you can tap or click to finally open the full navigation by tapping or clicking the menu icon, typically 3 horizontal lines, so you can access settings, saved items, groups, and more. If icons or bars are missing, refresh the page, force close, and reopen the app or update to the latest version. This often restores UI elements. If trouble continues, clear cache or sign out and back in to reset the interface. If nothing changes, check Facebook status or support. Otherwise, you're ready to navigate efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.